Cedar Springs Pavilion provides an open-air, Italian-style venue where elegance meets nature. Adorned with bistro and lantern lighting, this setting becomes a romantic luminary glow at night. Tucked behind a meandering lane, this 17-acre nature preserve is an expression of Ohio's beauty, featuring flower fields, a cascading waterfall, pond, and enchanted forest. Cedar Springs Pavilion is the ideal location for a spring, summer, or fall wedding. Whether your taste is simple or extravagant, the pavilion reflects your personal vision of excellence. Cedar Springs Pavilion, where elegance meets nature.